Hello and welcome back. Heard about the Six Packs app? I bet you did. And many of you might even be aiming to achieve those well defined six packs of the abdominal muscles. It does indicate a good, strong core while giving you a very good physique. But this isn't a video about how to build those six packs app. No, rather, it is a video about a condition in which the abs falls apart. Well, you heard it right, and the condition is called as the diastasis recti. Spoiler alert, this disorder is more common in females than in males. So let's begin. Diastasis recti. It is the partial or complete separation of the rectus abdominis muscles. The rectus abdominis muscle is the muscle that forms the six packs of the abdomen, as they are paired and lie parallel to each other. These pairs are joined by a band of connective tissue called as linea alba. When this band loosens, the muscle group separates, forming a bulgy abdomen. The reason why it is more prevalent in women is because its most commonest cause is pregnancy. This is because the uterus stretches, causing a separation between the muscle group. Even in pregnancy, the risk of getting diastasis recti is more common in women whose age during pregnancy is more than 35, large baby pregnancies, second or more pregnancy, and twin pregnancy. Though common in pregnancy, it can occur in anybody. Other non pregnant causes of diastasis recti are overweight in abdominal area, person who lifts heavy weight incorrectly, those who performs excessive and inappropriate abdominal exercises, and the ones who breathe incorrectly during strength training exercises. Coming to the signs and symptoms of diastasis recti. A bulgy abdomen, especially when the person contracts the abdominal muscles, is indicative of diastasis recti. Other symptoms associated with this problem is lower back pain, poor posture, constipation, and constant bloating. These signs and symptoms may not be very indicative of diastasis recti, but there is a way to check it yourself whether you have the problem or not. To do a self-examination for diastasis recti, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on floor. Now slightly bend over like a crunch to raise your shoulders. Use one hand to support the neck. With the other hand, press down in the middle section of your abdomen, 2 inches above the belly button and 2 inches below. If you can fit your fingers in between the gap of your midsection of the abs, it indicates presence of diastasis recti. Let us now discuss about prevention of diastasis recti. Though it cannot be prevented during pregnancy, there are certain precautions that can be taken to prevent it in pregnancy or other conditions. The following points will help you prevent this problem. First, breathe correctly during exercises. Always support abdomen by maintaining a good posture. Avoid lifting heavy weight and maintain proper body mechanics whenever you are lifting or pushing anything. Support your back when sitting and support your abdomen when cuffing vigorously. Coming to treatment, diastasis recti are usually treated with physical therapy or exercises. The patient is told to avoid any activity that causes bulging of the abdominal area. Women can wear a binder or tube grip for extra support for the abdomen post delivery. For those women whose diastasis recti is not resolved even with exercise, can opt for a procedure called as tummy tuck operation or abdominoplasty. So this is all about diastasis recti. For more videos, please do like and subscribe.